just got one at my shop too, like 2 weeks ago. Hey.
This is sick. Bunch of Subi motors. Look at this. They're just getting the half of the car shipped in. STI stuff. Wow, yes. MR2. Holy moly, dude. This is getting me all excited right now. Look at all this.
Japan only stuff. All Japanese.
This is all Japanese stuff. This is unbelievable.
Look at the brakes.
I wonder what he...
Look at the brakes.
God, that's so badass. Yeah, this is kind of
Welcome to California.
this is kind of me, dude. I think this is kind of me, you know. Maybe I should probably like. This is what I want to do. I want to go to Japan. I want to get a crate and I want to ship over a bunch of stuff. I think that would be. I know, but I don't care. Like, I think that it is the dream, though. It is the dream. So.
If you need any motors, anybody, LA JDM.
Yes.
Wilmington, California.
Wilmington, California. If you need any motors or anything, they have everything here and they're reasonable and they ship. LA JDM. I'll put that in the link in the description below because this is like my dream. This is like what I want, man. This is something else, dude.
It's a little bit messy right now. You got your pants, I know. I said all one little there. I was like, you just got all one over. Yeah, we got another good there's our monthly cost. What's the cost of it? That's important. We just got yeah, it's your worker, right? Yeah, that's for the camp, camp kid. He just came the other day. Oh, did he? Yeah, he's dying. He says, man, because I mean, he says he already has a meal with that. No. 2JZ. Oh, 240Z. This right here is a 6-speed unicorn motor. VVTi reverse Mark IV Supra, only 1 year in Japan. This is a 6-speed V161, but VVTi 2JZ. The only year 98 in Japan, Mark IV. Holy shit. Yeah, this one resell around $10,000 for the club. Oh, it's a V161.
Jesus.
It's not 160, it's 161. So it's like a special kind of unicorn type deal.
How many 2Js you got here? All this
right
bottom
now,
section?
We've been selling a lot of them. So
yeah, do you go through them?
Stock on 2J if you ask me.
That's a good thing, huh?
Our container, we have like 6 more, I think, and then there's another couple of
2Js.
RVs there, so it might be a deal. And then we have an S15 cars coming. Rolling shelf.
Yeah, the S15s I'm not too into because freaking the tunnel form fits.
Yeah, oh, the 60.
Wow.
I like the S14s work perfect.
Yeah.
And they're pretty powerful.
Yeah, for a little car like that.
Yeah, 2,000 pounds. Perfect.
Yeah. But my friend is coming today to
Do you have any non-turbos?
No, we have that's what we all have the S15 non-turbo. That's it, non-turbo.
Oh, is it?
But we'll see when we get into it. Yeah.
Wow. How long have you guys been here?
4 years.
4 years?
Yeah. Our parent company has been in here since been in business since 1999.
Wow. Nice.
We're just another branch, but I've been here like 2 years.
I got a non-turbo motor from Ken that he got from Mario Lozano at PSR. And he probably
Oh, 25s?
I think the
RB25?
I pulled the tranny off.
25?
Nismo, like super light flywheel.
yeah, that wasn't much there.
Yeah, I just installed it. I've
Ooh.
still got to take it back out because I just test fitted it and all that.
Oh,
shit.
okay. Are you gonna take the bait?
Not on that car, it's already painted, but I got to redo the brake lines and that's just going to the motor out. I just wanted to get it in there to see how it fit and do all my
The header fit.
No, you have to modify it.
H22s.
Well, the rack and pin,
Wow.
I have a 500 shop right now with the S14 turbo, lower mount stock turbo with rack and pin. And it fits beautifully. But the stock steering box, as you probably will know, that's the problem with the lower turbo.
Put it in the shopping cart. Put all this stuff in the shopping cart. What kind of JDM rims he's got, and seats, and yeah, look at this. Gauge clusters and Greeley? What motor did you sell? A VTEC? Front bumpers. The warehouse, so. Alright, so that was our little visit to LA JDM. His name's Rich. If you have any questions or anything like that, or if you want to buy a motor, these guys look pretty professional. They'll take care of you. They're out of California. They'll ship, and they actually have some pretty good prices on some motors. So
They got it all.
they got it all. I'll put all that information in the link in the description below as well too. So if you guys want a motor, if you're looking to do a swap on something, then you guys can give them a call. Cool? Sounds good. Look at this guy's hat, man.
Poncho.
Poncho.
Go to the recycler. But yeah, they rip through here. And the truck races, you've seen the, what do they call them? Those four-wheel drive trucks that they race. Off-road trucks, they set ramps up.
Wow, this is cool. It's all set up.
Grand Prix.
Grand Prix is getting, that's crazy. I feel like I'm in a racetrack right now.
Right? With my little shit.
I feel like we're racing the Jetta right now, man.
First place, baby!
Hell yeah.
Green light, green light.
Look at this. I feel like I'm on a racetrack. This is insane.
And they spin around right here. They do a 180 right there and go back the other way.
Wow.
It's pretty crazy. There's Long Beach.
There's Long Beach. What's up, guys? So Chuck just dropped me off here at Huntington Beach. Had a great morning. He seems like he knows what he's doing. He's been running this business for a little while now, and he's been doing a great job at it. If you're anywhere in the Colorado, if you're anywhere in the California area, look at these birdies. If you're anywhere in the California area, down in like Long Beach, definitely just stop by his shop, check out all of his 510s, everything that he has going on. He does a great job with dealing with people. He's a down-to-earth dude. So go check out his shop if you're anywhere close. Even maybe get some work done by him, because his work is just, it's fantastic. Like the SR swaps and everything that are in those cars is just amazing. So go check that out. I'm here just about to go home back to Colorado. I was only out here for a couple of days, and I got a little bit of footage of some stuff that you guys might like. So I'll put that up on these videos, and otherwise, your boy Zach Sanders with the Dotson Ski Z channel signing out. I'm gonna go back home to Colorado and start working on the Z. Hopefully I'll get it boosted this year sometime, so let's go.